You know, another thing that craft centers um, like Snow Farm provide is the, time and space to, um, step away from the daily grind and, and check into a headspace where you can just think about, yourself and your ideas and your work and really try to open your mind and open yourself up to new ways of working. And I think that's one of the things that I always try to convey in a workshop is for everyone to kind of feed each other in the joy and in the discovery of firing pottery.